Kevin Hunter's $250 million lawsuit over Wendy Williams' guardianship is shut down by federal judge, the ruling a swift and decisive loss. In a significant legal blow, Kevin Hunter, the former husband of retired talk show host Wendy Williams, has had his high-profile federal lawsuit concerning Williams' court-appointed guardianship dismissed by a judge. The lawsuit, which named dozens of defendants and sought a staggering $250 million in damages, was shut down primarily on the basis of lack of standing. The ruling, issued by U.S. District Judge Margaret M. Garnett, was clear Hunter does not have the legal authority or standing to file a lawsuit on behalf of Williams, who is under a judicially mandated guardianship. The judge denied Hunter's central motion to proceed with the case, effectively halting his attempt to intervene in his ex-wife's affairs. The original lawsuit, seeking next friend status and $250 million. The lawsuit, filed in June, was a sweeping legal challenge that sought to expose what Hunter and his legal team referred to as unrestrained abuse, maltreatment, and fiscal malfeasance within the guardianship. Key claims and demands: the goal: Hunter sought to remove the current court-appointed legal guardian, Sabrina Morrissey, and replace her with a new impartial guardian. He also requested Williams' release from involuntary confinement in her assisted living facility. The defendants: the suit named nearly 50 defendants, including Morrissey, Wells Fargo Bank, which initiated the process leading to the guardianship, the judge overseeing the guardianship, and various care providers. The legal standing: Hunter attempted to file the suit as a next friend, a legal designation that allows an individual to act on behalf of someone who is unable to assert their own rights. This was the specific claim that the judge ultimately rejected. The money the $250 million sought was claimed compensation for Williams' alleged financial losses, including estimated lost earnings of $20 million per year, as well as reputational damage, emotional distress, and Hunter's own legal expenses. The conflict: Williams' own denial. Perhaps the most damaging factor to Hunter's legal position was the public statement made by Wendy Williams herself shortly after the lawsuit was filed. Williams' reaction: in a publicized phone interview, Williams stated emphatically that she had no idea her ex-husband had filed the lawsuit on her behalf. She actively dismissed his motives, labeling him a money grubber who she does not want involved in her life, adding he won't win. This denial from the very person Hunter claimed to be representing provided crucial evidence to the court that Hunter did not have the authority or the blessing to act in her name. The background of the guardianship: Williams was placed under a court-ordered financial guardianship in 2022 after Wells Fargo froze her accounts, citing concerns that she was a victim of financial exploitation and of unsound mind. Since then, the details of her life have been sealed by the court, but it is publicly known she has been diagnosed with frontotemporal dementia (FTD) and aphasia. Hunter's legal filing was an attempt to bypass the judicial process governing the guardianship, which he and his attorney claim was put in place via a secret proceeding without proper medical evaluation. What's next? Hunter's only recourse. While the judge's ruling was a comprehensive defeat for Hunter's effort to act on behalf of Williams, the court did offer a narrow path forward. The ruling allows Kevin Hunter to refile an amended complaint, but only in his own name, meaning he can only speak to damages and harm he claims to have personally suffered, rather than acting as a legal representative for Williams. Hunter's decision on whether to refile under these new, limited conditions will determine the final chapter of this specific legal battle. For now, the court-appointed guardian remains in control of Williams' medical and financial affairs, and Kevin Hunter's legal challenge has ended in a decisive loss.